January 6, 2023, we visited Oak Ridge, Tennessee. Upon arrival to the K-25 nuclear enrichment site, we found the Heritage Railroad's 9553 at idle, with Wade preparing it for the night's switching. The first thing on the list for the crew was to move the passenger car out from in front of the radioactive waste cars.
About 2.5 normal cars off the cross. Double check, go off the cross.
As darkness fell, the crew ran around the site working various locations, which was mostly a photography-only trip for me. We will definitely be back here for more in the future. The crew had to move some classic rail cars out of the way to get to the Southern Appalachian Railroad Museum generator box car.
Yeah, I mean, after we did all that stuff, we just gotta go over there, get on that pad on the main line, pick up 8.3, shut back, we're done.
After finishing up for the night, the crew would take the engine over to the warehouse to tie it down. And that's a wrap. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.